Riva Trademark treats international trademark agreements such as the Madrid Protocol and the Madrid Agreement as a special kind of filing basis. To set a filing basis as a treaty, open the filing basis form and check this box. We've already created records for both of the Madrid treaties, so until another one comes along, you won't need to change anything here. If a filing basis has been marked as a treaty, then it automatically shows up in the list of jurisdictions on the Date Templates page in Preferences. You set the date template for a treaty jurisdiction just like any other jurisdiction. To select which jurisdictions are participating in a treaty, click this option, select the filing basis, and then choose which jurisdictions participate in the treaty. To create new trademark records for a treaty filing, first select the trademark that you'll be using as the basis application or basis registration. Click the Treaty Filings tab, and then create a new filing by entering the information in this grid. So select the treaty type from the list, enter the international application number or the registration number if you already know it, enter the filing date here, choose how much of the current trademark information you want to copy into the new trademarks. So we'll take pretty much everything here. And then you can choose to copy the filing date that you selected here into a new date in the new trademarks here. And we can also set the initial status for the trademarks that we're about to create. When you click away from the grid here and the record is saved, then the current trademark is automatically entered here in the list of related trademarks, and it's listed as an origin for the treaty filing. Once in a while, you may want to select more than one trademark as the origin or basis for a treaty filing. In that case, click this option, and a list of your trademarks will appear over here. To add another trademark as the basis for the filing, select it in this list, and then click this button. And now both of these trademarks are considered basis marks for the treaty filing. To choose the jurisdictions where you'll be filing, click this option, and the list of participating jurisdictions will appear here. You can select multiple jurisdictions by holding down the Control key on your keyboard and then clicking the jurisdiction names. So we're going to take our basis trademarks and use them for submitting a Madrid Protocol filing in Germany and the United Kingdom. Now we can create our new trademark records by clicking this button. And there they are. If you want to go to any one of these new records, you can just click the hyperlink. And as you can see, the trademark screen looks a little different now. We've got this message up here, and down here we have this option to show a list of the related trademarks. You can also see the related trademarks by going back to the Treaty Filings page. Since these trademarks are now related, if you edit one of the trademark dates, you have the option of updating the related trademarks at the same time. Enter the date information for the current trademark up here, and then select the related trademarks that you want to update at the same time down here. And now if we navigate to the related trademarks, you can see that they've all been updated together. If for any reason you want to unlink a trademark from a treaty filing, go back to the Treaty Filings page, make sure the filing is selected up here, select the trademark that you want to unlink in the list down here, and then click this button. And as you can see, the system will take you to the trademark you just unlinked and warn you that you may need to update some information. Or you may want to do the opposite, which is to link a trademark to a treaty filing after the trademark was already entered as a standalone record. So to do that, go to the record for the basis application, select the treaty filing up here, and then click this option down here. When your list of trademarks appears on this side of the page, select the trademark that you want to add to the filing, and then click this button. The selected trademark is now considered part of the treaty filing. But since that mark was already in the system, it would be a good idea to open it and see if you need to change anything on the trademark record.